Aloe vera, or the plant of immortality, is a very beneficial plant if you know how to use it correctly. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the toxins from the leaf and use the beneficial gel from it. Aloe vera contains aloe latex, which is yellowish in color. It is also called as the aloe sap or aloin, which you can see over here is coming out from this freshly cut leaf. This is the toxin which you have to remove, and you can remove it easily by using the method which I am going to show you. If you use aloe vera containing this aloin, then it is toxic for the body. It can even cause kidney failure if taken in high doses, and in lower doses cause abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and when applied on skin, then you may have some skin reaction. So it is beneficial to remove this bitter yellow latex or the aloe sap and simply use the transparent aloe vera gel for all your beauty treatments. So for removing the aloin, first thing that you need to do is cut off the lower part of the leaf, and here I am going to show you how much aloin this little leaf contains. This is a white tissue paper, and when I dab the tissue on the cut end of the leaf, you can see over here that the tissue paper has turned yellow. Now this yellow thing is the aloin, which is harmful, and we don't want this thing in our aloe gel. So to remove this, it is very easy. All you need to do is take a knife and cut off the side part of the leaves, the part which contains the thorny kind of structures. Just slit off the thorny part and do this on both the sides of the leaf carefully. After removing the sides, cut off the leaf into smaller pieces. You can cut it off into the kind of size that you want. And here I have taken a bowl of clean water, and I am cutting off the leaves and I am putting it inside the water. Now if you do this step, it is easier to remove the aloin very quickly. So after I have cut the leaves and I have placed it in water, I am going to leave it. It is better to leave it overnight so that all of the aloin goes into the water. But if you don't have time, you can leave it for 3-4 hours, and then when the water turns yellow like this, in this manner, after overnight stay, the water has turned yellow because the aloin has come out from the leaves and it has entered the water. You can change the water after 3-4 hours if you don't have time to keep it overnight, and repeat the steps till you get water which is white in color. So this yellowish water, you can use this for watering your plants also. Otherwise you can just throw it off. So in this manner, repeat the process, put it again in water till the water turns white, even after keeping for a couple of hours. Repeating this twice, thrice will be enough to remove the aloin, as you can see over here. Now the tissue paper is not turning yellow when I press the aloe vera on it. So now to remove the gel, all you need to do is make a slit in the central part of the leaf, and you can see it is slimy and sticky, and this is the gel part. Now this is not having any toxin, any aloe latex, so this gel is perfect for use in your skin or hair treatment. So over here you can see I can easily remove the gel. You can also use a spoon to remove it. This one is the aloe vera gel, and now you can use this gel for any purpose. You can even make drinks out of it. You can apply it on your skin, on your hair. When applied on skin, it soothes and nourishes the skin and helps reduce blemishes, and on the hair it will strengthen and promote hair growth and prevent itching of the scalp and reduce dandruff. So I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.